Hello everyone. In this video we'll be showing you how to use ChatGPT with Siri. ChatGPT is a language model developed by OpenAI, and we'll be using Siri as a voice assistant to run ChatGPT. So, let's get started. Step 1. Create an OpenAI account. Before we begin, you need to create an OpenAI account. You can refer to our video guide on how to use ChatGPT for detailed instructions on how to sign up. Step 2. Download the Siri shortcut to use ChatGPT with Siri. You need to download the Siri shortcut. Go to the Siri shortcut page and tap Add Shortcut. Step 3. Get your OpenAI API keys. Log into your OpenAI account, and then tap the three lines icon at the top right corner. Tap your profile at the bottom of the settings menu, and then tap View API keys. Step 4. Copy your secret API key. Tap Create New Secret Key. Then tap the copy icon and tap OK to close the window. Step 5. Add your API into the Siri shortcut. Open the Shortcuts app, find the Siri shortcut, and tap the three dots to edit the shortcut. Paste your API key in place of ADD API KEYHERE. Step 6. Enable dictation. Scroll down the shortcut flowchart until you see Enable Dictation underneath a red warning flag. Tap Enable Dictation, then toggle Enable Dictation on and tap Enable Dictation again. Step 7. Allow Siri speech recognition access. Tap Siri and a privacy warning will pop up asking you to allow the shortcut access to speech recognition. This is so you can ask ChatGPT questions vocally. Tap Allow.
Step 8. Allow Siri GPT to use your OpenAI API. Tap the Siri GPT shortcut again to run it, and ask a question. A privacy pop-up will appear asking you to allow Siri GPT to send text to the OpenAI API. This is to run your prompt through ChatGPT. Tap Always Allow or Allow once.
Step 9. Finish the interaction. After getting an answer, tap Done, and either tap Ask Again if you want to ask something else. When you're finished, tap Done. Step 10. Open the Back Tap menu. Open Settings and tap Accessibility. Tap Touch and then tap Back Tap. Step 11. Assign Siri to Back Tap. Tap either double tap or triple tap, depending on which you want to assign to Siri. Scroll down and tap Siri. Step 12. Use Back Tap to launch Siri. Tap the back of your iPhone and Siri will open. Ask a question and tap Done when you're finished. Conclusion? That's it, folks. You can now use Siri to call ChatGPT and get answers to your questions. This is a convenient and time-saving way to access information, and we hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching. Regenerate response.